technically speaking, Tesla stock is trying to react above a critical support level, and the timing of that reaction could not be better. Not just because it is above a critical support level, but because the broad market is trying to react as well. Many stocks, except Apple apparently, are reacting well this Friday. However, there are still some dangerous resistance levels to be careful of, so let's see what's going on here on this video. But first, my name is Nathan. It is very nice to meet you guys. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's start our analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart. Here on the daily chart, we see that Tesla is not in a crystal clear, amazing uptrend anymore. It is not incredibly bullish, but it is not necessarily bearish right now as well, because we have yet to trigger crystal clear lower highs, lower lows. This is why it is very important to see Tesla still trading above the $254, this red line over here, because only if Tesla loses this red line, then the uptrend will actually reverse, because Tesla is going to materialize a lower high, lower low on the daily chart. This is going to frustrate the bull trend, the mid-term bull trend as seen on the daily chart. And in this scenario, I believe that Tesla is going to try to retest its next technical support level at $240, this black line down here. Now, this situation over here is extremely dangerous. It is extremely complex because apparently the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, is acting as a crystal clear resistance area on Tesla stock as well. So we see that Tesla, since July 21st over here, we see that Tesla has been doing nothing but moving sideways, trading between the 21 EMA and this red line over here. What this means? This has a name. This is a crystal clear trap zone. Tesla is trading inside a particularly dangerous trap zone right now between a clear support and resistance level. And although we don't see any meaningful reaction, I believe that only a true breakout is going to bring something new and something meaningful on Tesla stock. Meaning, we gotta see Tesla actually losing the $254 or breaking the 21 EMA upwards in order to materialize the next meaningful movement, which could be either a rally or a continuation of this bearish sentiment to the $240 down here. Only a crystal clear breakout would materialize the next important movement, mid-term speaking, on Tesla stock. Now, let's talk about the indices over here, because what Tesla is doing right now, it is very important, especially if we take in consideration of in consideration what the broad market is doing right now. But first, what the hell are you doing? Subscribe to this channel if you want to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Click on the like button to support me. I really appreciate your support, my dear friends. Now, let's continue our analysis over here, because SPY ETF is looking very problematic right now. We see that SPY, it is not only losing the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart, but it is making very powerful bearish candlesticks over here, right? We see, look at the size of this bearish candlestick. It is just too powerful. Here we see another very sharp bearish candlestick, while the bullish candlesticks are usually small, usually weak. So this tells me that the selling pressure is a little bit stronger than the buy pressure in this scenario in the past few days, of course. If we take a look at the weekly chart, we are making a very massive bearish candlestick pattern on the weekly chart. And as far as I know, we could easily correct to the next support level, which is around $444, $43 around this area over here. And the bull trend will not gonna be completely rejected, but we could see the bullish bias losing momentum. But any meaningful bullish reaction above the $444, in my humble opinion, could be an opportunity to buy. Nathan, what if we lose the 444 area over here? Then I believe a sharper correction on the weekly chart is going to materialize, possibly to one of the Fibonacci's retracements over here. The first one at 38.2% is around $429. So keep these key points in mind. QQQ explains a lot what is happening on Tesla right now, because just like Tesla, QQQ, the Nasdaq ETF, just reached a very important support level over here, and it is trying to react. This is very good. This is why the timing for a reaction could not be better. I mean, we just reached this important key point, this important support level. We are trading around the 21 EMA on the daily chart, and if we see a bullish reaction above this area, maybe QQQ is going to give us the impression that we just made a false breakout of a possible bearish pivot point, and this is gonna be extremely frustrating for the bears. And again, right now, the timing for this reaction couldn't be better because it is in a very strong support zone. If we actually lose this support area over here, then okay, possibly QQQ is going to trigger a sharper correction on the weekly chart as well. If we use Fibonacci's retracements over here, we will see that the next technical support level is around $348, which is the first retracement on the weekly chart. So yes, if QQQ starts to correct, it has plenty of room to correct. Therefore, it is very important to see QQQ reacting above this support level right here, right now, at this moment. Now back to Tesla. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart over here, Tesla tried to react, okay, it is trying to react. Today it did a very nice reaction. We retested the $263 over here, this red line down here, as a resistance level. This key point was a previous support level, and now it is acting as a resistance level following the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Now, this key point, 263, was the exact same key point that triggered a sell signal to us. I told you guys I shared a very nice sell signal around this area when Tesla lost this support level on our Telegram channel. So join our Telegram channel if you want to keep in touch with exclusive, sophisticated buy, sell signals, sophisticated analysis on Tesla, SPY, QQQ, and much, much more. So join us over there on our Telegram channel. I invite you to join our family. The link is in the description of this video. Now, Tesla found a resistance level just below our previous support level, our previous sell point over here. Now, it feels like it is losing momentum again, but only if it loses the $254, it is going to materialize a sharper bearish correction. Oh, and by the way, I oriented our members to book profits around this support level. But if Tesla confirms a stronger bearish structure over here, I believe it might trigger another sell signal. And in this scenario, we are gonna work with the 240 again. Now, on the bright side, Tesla has just reached the 50-period moving average on the daily chart over here. So again, this is why I'm telling you guys, we see Tesla above a critical support level, we see QQQ above a critical support level. Tesla just reached the 50-period moving average on the daily chart. So this is why I'm telling you guys, if we see a bullish reaction, now would be the perfect timing for Tesla to do so. However, right now, unfortunately, we don't see any meaningful, incredible, bullish reaction. Tesla could correct more, but this is not going to necessarily ruin the long-term bullish bias as seen on the weekly chart. Of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. Therefore, again, subscribe to this channel if you are still not my subscriber. Click on the like button to support me. See you guys next Monday. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Bye-bye.